Hello, this is John in the UK. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm over here in Chattanooga to meet up with Chatt Cats. Where the hell am I going to get on the boat? Usually that dock, but it looks damaged. I feel like a total. There's a time zone change and I didn't keep that in mind. And I could have been here on time. What happened to this thing?
All the flooding we had in the winter.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I could have been here on time, but my phone didn't update what time it was.
I should have reminded you on that. I usually do.
Right now it says it's 9:55 p.m. Look at how f***ed up this is.
What the hell?
Rough start, but I'm out here with Chatt Cats. See, this is Joe. He's a captain now since the last time I've been out here fishing with him. Look at all this poles and all this fancy stuff now. Oh, look, the Realistic Fishing sticker over there.
Oh yeah.
I like holding on to the rod. Feels like I'm doing something. I can also feel it bouncing off the bottom. There's small rocks.
Yep, we're fishing on this riprap here.
Hey,
Fish on.
there we go. Chatt Cats is hooked up.
Fish.
Wow, there was a bite right here too. This line is totally slack. There might be a fish here. Oh no, left-handed. I'm gonna have to try it left-handed. Here we go. Got all sorts of stuff going on. This one's a little bit better.
That's a good fish you got. Was that your fish?
That's this fish right here.
That was a big splash. Just take it easy, man, because that looked like a big splash. Holy moly! That's a big fish already. Alex, take it easy, man. It's 20-pound braid.
All right, I got him.
Holy moly!
I have to take it easy. This is set up for a left-hander.
Dude, that's a toad you have right now. That just got me very excited. He's taking you all the way around now. That looked like a big splash, didn't it?
Yeah. Here he is.
How big does he look?
I don't know, 10 pounds?
I don't know about that. Let me go and get this one released real quick. You got a good fish, I think.
That didn't take long at all.
Yeah, that looks like a giant, man.
That's a carp or a buffalo or something.
Serious?
Yeah.
On the chicken! Just keep it easy, keep it easy, keep it easy. Go around the trolling motor.
He's not in the trolling motor, but he's definitely under the boat.
Loosen the drag if you need to.
I think it'll be all right. He's not fighting very hard. He's just heavy.
Wow, this is the second time I think I've had a buffalo on the chicken.
Pretty sure it's a buffalo. I caught one when I was in Alabama.
Let me get...
Is there a tarp for a buffalo?
I don't think so. There's for carp, but not for a buffalo.
Oh, man.
Yeah, the big thing is going around that trolling motor.
It's a buffalo.
Oh my gosh, that's huge.
He's pissed.
Hey.
It's a good one.
PB carp or PB buffalo?
I don't know. My other ones are pretty big.
Oh, this one.
It's like a submarine, this thing.
I'm surprised.
Woo! That's a big fish.
Oh, man. What in the heck on chicken?
Holy cow. That's my PB buffalo.
Yeah. Dude, Alex, how long have you been here now?
10 minutes at the most. 5 minutes at the boat launch.
Oh my goodness. Guys, this is the second smallmouth buffalo in this boat. I caught one last year right down this way by a snag. I accidentally snagged its, I think, dorsal fin or pectoral fin, but this one actually took the chicken. Look.
It's in the mouth.
Right in the mouth. What a catch.
Let's see what this thing weighs.
Yeah, I'll weigh him.
I'm all 10 pounds. Now I'm looking at it more like 20 pounds.
Hey man, we're done for today now.
Carnivorous buffalo. I thought they only eat like weeds and stuff.
I don't know. He must have been hungry. Oh, okay. I'm going to have to stand up here because I'm a short guy.
All right, let's switch spots. 20.72.
20.72, so you minus the net, 19 pounds.
Nice.
So just shy of 20.
That is definitely the biggest buffalo. I think my other ones were maybe about 12 pounds. It's gonna jump out of my hands. I just don't want to.
They're a very strong fish, man.
Hell yeah, this thing is super strong. Here we go. Just swim away.
She's good. She's good. She's going down.
Holy moly.
She's gone.
That thing was crazy. Oh man, look at my shirt. All right, let's get another one. A giant buffalo on chicken. The trip sure turned around fast. I'm like, oh, I'm 40 minutes late. Huge fish!
It's all good, man. It ended up working out.
Yes, without it being exactly how it was, I wouldn't have caught that fish. The universe is strange. Check the drag on this. All right. I don't want to lose a big fish because of the drag.
You like your new boat and everything? You enjoying it?
Yeah, I wish I could take it out more though. It's so damn hot.
Yeah.
With a beard and long hair, I'm out there. Once 10 o'clock hits, I'm just sitting in a puddle.
You like fishing from a boat better than
Fish. There we go.
hooked up with the channel cat, I think.
It feels okay. I wouldn't say huge. He's got a bite or something.
Snag.
Oh. All right, back to the fish at hand. Let's see what we got here. It feels decent.
Oh, that's a nice blue. I thought it was a channel.
Just tiring him out. There we go. Yeah, not too bad.
Did you say 10 pounds or something?
Yeah. That's a blue cat?
That's a blue. I like pictures.
Yeah, there we go.
That's a good fish.
Second fish for tonight so far.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's let him go.
Nice job.
I just got to say thanks again and give a huge shout out to Chatt Cats Fishing. Joe, over there in Chattanooga, is nothing but gracious and friendly every time I go over there. We catch a lot of good fish, and he has put me on several of my personal best and even a couple of trophy fish. I caught this one over there with him. Freshwater drum, 28 inches. That qualifies as a trophy fish in Tennessee. Also, blue catfish, 38 inches. Both of which are amazing fish. If you haven't seen Chatt Cats Fishing channel, I really suggest you go over there and check it out. The guy catches some huge catfish. He's put me on some big catfish, and I know he's put some other YouTubers on some big catfish. There's no telling how many people he puts on their personal best, and he does it with a smile. Thanks again for putting up with me being late, and thanks for putting me on my craziest catch of my life so far, a 19-pound buffalo on chicken. This fish was just like, hey, I'm gonna come eat the chicken and make one of your videos the craziest videos ever. I dare any other YouTuber out there to try and catch a 19-pound buffalo on chicken. You just ain't gonna see it anywhere else but on Realistic Fishing and Chatt Cats Fishing. You just never know what kind of craziness might happen, even on the most realistic fishing show there is. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Joe over at Chatt Cats Fishing keeps it realistic.